Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated releases in the world of rugged smartwatches, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro. And yes, the leaks surrounding the 2025 price tag have taken the entire fitness tech community by storm. If you've been waiting to upgrade your outdoor companion, the latest intel might just leave you both excited and shocked. Garmin's Fenix series has long been the gold standard when it comes to high-performance multi-sport smartwatches. With the Fenix 7 Pro still going strong and earning praise for its solar charging, mapping capabilities, and ultra-durable build, fans have been eagerly awaiting news of its successor. The Fenix 8 Pro promises not just a simple upgrade, but a serious evolution in both hardware and software capabilities. And now, thanks to recent leaks, we may finally have a good idea of what's coming, and at what cost. Let's break it all down: the new features, rumored pricing, expected release window, and how this compares to other upcoming smartwatches like the Garmin Epix Gen 3, Apple Watch Ultra 3, and even the Suunto Race Pro. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, the shocking price leak. According to multiple sources close to Garmin's manufacturing pipeline and several trusted leakers on tech forums, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is expected to launch with a starting price around $999, with premium models possibly reaching $1,299 or more depending on the size, material, and additional features. That's a significant jump from the Fenix 7 Pro, which began at around $799 for the base model and peaked near $999 for the Sapphire Solar Edition. Garmin appears to be positioning the Fenix 8 Pro as not just a high-end fitness tracker, but a true luxury outdoor wearable with unmatched precision, durability, and performance. If the leaks are accurate, the Fenix 8 Pro is shaping up to be the most advanced Garmin wearable to date. Here's what we're hearing. Gone are the days of transflective MIP displays. The Fenix 8 Pro might feature a micro-LED screen, offering stunning brightness, better color accuracy, and smoother animations, all while being power efficient. Adaptive brightness could also adjust to sunlight or darkness for ideal visibility. Expect even more accurate GPS tracking with enhanced multi-band GNSS and SATIQ 2.0 integration. This means faster satellite locks and pinpoint precision in challenging environments, from deep forests to urban canyons. Garmin is reportedly integrating machine learning algorithms into its next-generation training readiness, HRV status, and battery. AI will help fine-tune your workouts, recovery suggestions, and sleep insights based on long-term trends, not just daily snapshots. Improved solar efficiency is rumored, especially for the Sapphire Solar models, with better energy conversion, even in cloudy conditions. Garmin may also enhance battery life to support up to 35-40 days in smartwatch mode, which could be a game-changer for ultra-distance athletes and expedition adventurers. Look out for skin temperature tracking, ECG, and improved SpO2 accuracy, bringing the Fenix 8 Pro closer to medical-grade monitoring, perfect for trail runners, mountaineers, and wilderness explorers. How does the Fenix 8 Pro stack up against rivals like the Apple Watch Ultra 3, the Suunto Vertical Titanium, or even Garmin's own Epix Gen 3? Apple will no doubt include tight iOS integration and health tracking, but Garmin's superior battery life and GPS accuracy make the Fenix 8 Pro a better fit for true adventurers and ultra-athletes. While the Apple Watch may gain new AI health features and satellite SOS, Garmin's offline maps, built-in barometer, and survival tools still set it apart. Suunto continues to improve its UI in sports modes, but it still lacks the ecosystem depth Garmin offers, including Garmin Connect, Garmin Pay, music support, and third-party app integration. Battery life and hardware quality are also typically better on Garmin's high-end models. The Epix Gen 3 will reportedly focus on AMOLED visuals and lifestyle appeal. If you're more into smartwatch aesthetics and gym training, Epix might suit you better. But for mountaineering, hiking, and triathlon-level endurance, the Fenix 8 Pro still reigns supreme. Along with new hardware, Garmin is expected to roll out a redesigned UI for the Fenix 8 Pro. Rumors suggest customizable widgets with deeper integrations, new sport modes, including adaptive workouts for hybrid training, advanced mapping tools, including 3D terrain view and predictive route planning. This brings even more personalization and utility, whether you're training for your first marathon or planning a multi-day mountain trek. Possible variants and sizes. Garmin traditionally offers multiple case sizes for the Fenix lineup, and that trend is likely to continue with the Fenix 8 Pro. We're expecting Fenix 8S Pro for smaller wrists, possibly with slightly shorter battery life, Fenix 8 Pro the standard model with balanced features, Fenix 8X Pro for ultra-endurance users, likely packing the biggest battery, and possibly exclusive features like flashlight enhancements or dual-band GNSS boosters. According to insiders and Garmin's historical release schedule, the Fenix 8 Pro could be officially announced in 2025. However, with component shortages and production logistics always in play, Garmin could shift timelines depending on market conditions. Pre-orders may open shortly after the announcement, and given the hype, it wouldn't be surprising if the Fenix 8 Pro sells out in certain markets during its first few weeks. Who should buy the Fenix 8 Pro? The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro isn't for everyone. But if you're someone who runs marathons, ultra races, or does serious long-distance trail running hikes, climbs or camps in remote areas with no cell signal, wants unmatched battery life and robust offline functionality, tracks advanced biometrics for performance optimization, needs a GPS watch that's more accurate than your phone, then the Fenix 8 Pro will likely be the ultimate fitness companion for 2025. It's not just a smartwatch. It's a mission tool, a navigation device, and a health monitor, all in one titanium armored package. Final thoughts: should you be excited? Absolutely. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most powerful adventure smartwatches ever made. The price hike is certainly surprising, but when you factor in the expected new sensors, display technology, AI-driven features, and Garmin's track record of durability, it might be well worth the investment.